Well, greetings. We are back with you today. We're going to do a song for you now called Open Up the Heavens. We're not able quite to worship the way we've gotten accustomed to, where we come together and we invite God's presence. But the beautiful thing about it is we can invite God's presence whether it's 1 or 100 or 1,000. And so I'm going to ask you to sort of sit back and invite God's presence and allow that God would open up the heavens and just bless us as He can and usually does. Open up the heavens. Waited for this day, we gathered in your name, calling out to you. Your glory like a fire, awakening desire, will burn our hearts through. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, almighty river, flowing from your heart, filling every part of my praise. Your presence in this place, your glory on your face, we're looking to the sky. You're standing like a cloud, you're standing with us now, Lord, unveil our eyes. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. So open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, almighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. We want to see you open up the heavens. We want to see you open up the floodgates, almighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, almighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. And that's the prayer from my heart to your heart this day, that God will open Himself up and cause us and allow us to bless Him. Amen.